Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our physics class. I am your physics teacher from United Public School, Tandur. Till yesterday we are discussing about the ninth class first chapter, second chapter, motion. What is motion? Motion is nothing but movement. In this chapter we are learn about the moving bodies. We are whatever the call it. In this chapter, we are learn about the distance, displacement, velocity of the body, acceleration of the body, speed of the body. We are discussing in the earlier classes. Okay. Yesterday we are learn about the acceleration. What is acceleration? The rate of change of velocity with respect to time. That is, then the body is in acceleration. Okay. Today we are discussing about the acceleration and uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Whatever discuss about the we are discussing about velocity and uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity also. Here also same that in acceleration we have the uniform and non-uniform acceleration. We are going to discuss about uniform and non-uniform acceleration with examples. Okay. Well, first we have to know about what is acceleration. We are recall about acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of velocity when the body change its velocity. When the body change its velocity, then the body is in acceleration. The body is the accelerated motion. Okay. When the body change its velocity with respect to time, then the body is in acceleration. Okay. What is change in velocity formula? Change in velocity is nothing but at the initial position, any body at any what is the change in velocity formula? Means the initial final velocity minus initial velocity. The final velocity minus initial velocity. What is the timer? Time take it as t. This is the acceleration formula. What is the formula? We can say the change in velocity by time. We can also say that final velocity minus initial velocity by time. This is also acceleration formula. And we can say like this also. Change in velocity by time. Either we can say the acceleration is equals to final velocity. We are taking as v as final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Okay. The units of acceleration. What is the units? Units means what in the denominator we have velocity. Okay. Velocity units means velocity formula. What is the velocity formula? Displacement by time. Displacement by time means meter per second. It is a velocity. Okay. Velocity units. In denominator we have velocity units means velocity is displacement by time. Displacement unit is meter and time is second. Okay. Here displacement unit we have the in denominator velocity. Velocity is there. It is a velocity unit. What is the meter per second? In denominator we have timer. Time is again second. Okay. Second is goes to numerator. Is used to numerator x into x square. What is the unit of acceleration? Acceleration is meter per second square. Okay. Meter per second square. We have to know about some important point which discuss in our chapter. What is the acceleration? Acceleration when the body move uniform velocity, then the acceleration of body is zero. When the acceleration of body is zero. What is the means of that? When body move uniform velocity means the uniform velocity means the body cannot change the velocity. The body cannot change the velocity means we cannot change it. It move uniform velocity, then the acceleration of the body is zero. Means what is the acceleration definition? Change in velocity. Change in velocity is our definition. To become an acceleration, to become an accelerated motion, the velocity should have to change. Velocity should have to change. When the uniform velocity is not changed, that means acceleration of body is zero. Okay. इसमें ये पॉइंट का क्या मतलब है द एक्सेलरेशन कब होता है? जब वेलोसिटी चेंज होती है. ओके. जब वेलोसिटी चेंज होती, अगर बॉडी यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी से अगर चल रही तो इसमें यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी मीन्स वेलोसिटी चेंज नहीं होती. यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी अगर चली तो एक्सेलरेशन उसका क्या हो जाता है? जीरो हो जाता. व्हेन द बॉडी मूव यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी, then the acceleration is zero. The acceleration is definition itself the change in velocity. Velocity should have to change, then the acceleration work on the body. For acceleration there is a two ways. Okay. there is two reasons for acceleration work on the body. Acceleration work on the body, acceleration work होने के लिए two reasons है माँ. कब? When the speed is changed, when the speed is changed, when the body is changed its speed, either decreasing or increasing, then the acceleration is work on the body. When the direction of the body change, when the direction of body is changed, when speed is changed and direction change, then velocity also change. Okay, it is related to velocity only ma, because speed is changed and direction is changed, velocity also change. When velocity is changed, the acceleration is worked. Okay, can I follow my points? When speed is changed, direction of body is changed. When the speed and direction of the body is changed, then velocity also change. Okay, velocity also change. When velocity is changed, the acceleration work on the body. It is the means of these 2 points. Okay, here acceleration is depend on the change in velocity. Okay, here I am saying the similar point. Acceleration is depend on the change in velocity. Okay, here is same point. When the change in velocity is possible, change in velocity is possible when speed is changed and direction is changed. Acceleration is depend on change in velocity. Okay, here also we discuss about the uniform acceleration. Okay, uniform acceleration. What is the uniform acceleration ma? A body has a uniform acceleration in a straight line. Okay, in a straight line, and its velocity increasing by equal time in equal interval of equal amount in equal interval of time. What is the uniform acceleration ma? Acceleration means change in velocity. How can I change the velocity? By changing the speed and direction. This is the main point. Here I am taking the example. What is a non-uniform acceleration ma? Non-uniform acceleration is that it's changing the velocity. In changing the velocity, how equal amount in equal interval of time. Okay, वो velocity को अपनी change करे. कैसा change कर रही? जितनी मतलब equal इसमें equal time में change करिए अपने velocity. Here is a one example. Here is Delhi. The body is travel from Delhi to Kolkata. Okay, what is the distance? Total distance is 1000 kilometer. Okay, 1000 kilometer. In first hour ma, in first घंटे में कितना 10 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करना. नेक्स्ट 1 hour is 200 kilometer, and third hour is 300 kilometer, and the fourth hour is 400 kilometer. This is the distance and this is the times. Okay, what is the velocity? Change in velocity. Velocity is distance by time. 100 by 1 hour, 200 by 1 hour, 300 by 1 hour, 400 by 1 hour. For each hours we are taking the velocity as same. Okay, what about the acceleration? For finding the acceleration, we are taking the point between. Okay, here Delhi to Kolkata is there now. Total distance is how much ma? 1000 kilometer. Okay, I am taking A, B, C on the line ma. This is the distance from Delhi to Kolkata. Here first at the point A, the velocity is 100 km per second. At the B, 200 km per second. At the C point, 300 km per second. At the D point, 400 km per second. What we have to find? We have to find the acceleration. After finding the acceleration, we have to prove. After finding the acceleration between A, B, C, D and A, B, C and C, D, we have to observe the acceleration whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, means it is a uniform acceleration motion. Okay, let's find out acceleration from A to B. Okay, from A to B. How can I find the acceleration? What is the acceleration formula ma? Change in velocity means what is the change in velocity? Again formula, final velocity minus initial velocity by time. What is the final velocity here? I am taking the only B. I am observing the A to B distance. Okay, to find the acceleration, the initial velocity, what is the final velocity? I am observing the two ones. Okay, to A to B. Final velocity is 200 ma, minus is as it is. What is the initial velocity? Initial velocity is 10 meter per second. Okay, time is 1 hour ma, and every portion we are taking the 1 hour. Okay, again 200 minus 100 is 100. Don't write to 1. It is value is only 100 only. Okay, the value is 100 only. In the first section we got the acceleration as 100 km per second, 100 km per second square. Second square, here I am taking the second square, I am not taking the meter per second, because I am finding the not velocity, we are finding the acceleration. Okay, we have to write the meter per second square because we are finding the acceleration, not velocity. Okay, let's go. We are finding the B2C mark. B2C, what is the, here also we are taking the acceleration formula, final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Whether I am taking the B2C, what is the final velocity, ma'am? Final velocity is 300. I am taking 300 minus is as it is. What is the initial velocity of these two portions? One portion B2C is initial velocity is 200. 200 I am taking. Okay. Time is similar, ma. 1 second only for second portion from B2C. 1 second. I am taking 1 second, ma. Okay. 300 minus 200 is 100. Again we are getting the same acceleration, 100. Okay. Let's just find the acceleration of C to D. What is that? What is the final velocity, ma? 400 meter per second. 300 initial is 3 meter per second. Again we are finding the C to D. C to D acceleration. What is the acceleration formula, ma? Final velocity minus initial velocity means denominator is change in velocity formula. Okay. Final velocity minus initial velocity by time. What is the final velocity, ma'am? Final velocity we have 400. Whether we are observing the two, it is a final and it is a initial. Okay, ma'am. What is the final velocity? Final velocity is 400 minus is as it is. Here is minus, we have to write as it is minus. Initial is 300. We are finding the 300. Time is similar, 1 hour only. Okay, similar 1 hour only. I am writing the 1. Okay, 400 minus 100, 400 minus 300 is 100. Here observing the three values. Okay, from B to C we get the acceleration as 10 km, 100 km per hour. From B to C we get the 100 km per hour, and C to D also we get the 100 km hour. What we observe, the acceleration of the body is equal. Acceleration of the body is equal means the body is travel. This body is travel the uniform acceleration. Okay, the body change. How can I possible? How can I get the equal value? Because the body change its velocity uniformly. Because it, how can I get the equal values? Because the body change the velocity E uniformly. Okay, here 100 km per hour, 200 km per hour, 300 km per hour, 400 km per hour. It is a velocities, ma. When the body change its velocity uniformly, then acceleration also get equal values. Acceleration also equal. Okay, 100 km per hour, 100 km per hour, 100 km per hour. This is our today's class, ma. Uniform. We are discussing the uniform acceleration. In the next class, we are discussing the non-uniform acceleration with example. Okay. Acceleration, you have to complete your notes in non-uniform acceleration. Today's class, whatever example I will given, just you have to complete, write in the notes and send me in the group. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.